Have you ever noticed that when you scratch your butt, it sounds like the noise of biting into an apple? If you scratch anywhere else on your body, it sounds normal, like this. But when you scratch your butt, it sounds more like biting into an apple. No, like, I'm being serious. Go ahead and try it yourself right now. See? Isn't it fascinating? How is it that the sound of scratching your butt sounds so similar to biting into an apple? From a physics perspective, I guess the shape of your mouth and teeth resemble the shape of your hand and nails, and the smooth curvature of an apple resembles the smooth curvature of your butt. Therefore, the sound waves behave similarly. Good conjecture. But what about from a biological perspective? Maybe the reason why scratching your butt and biting an apple sound so similar is because humans and apples share a common ancestor in the evolutionary chain. Or better yet, what if there was a point in time where humans grew from trees? Like, first comes the apple, then the human, and then bada bing, a human is born. Wow, the butt is the apple. Man, it would have been pretty cool back then when humans had tails, walking around all free in nature and stuff. And maybe that's why God commanded Adam and Eve not to eat the forbidden fruit, because the whole time they were actually they were But it all makes sense, right? No, of course that doesn't make sense. Because isn't it more likely that humans came from peaches instead? Because, the shape is so accurate in accordance to my theory. But now my theory completely breaks down because biting into a peach sounds nothing like scratching your butt. So why would we be related? What if we look at it from the perspective of chemistry? Or no, what about a philosophical perspective? A medical perspective? Historical perspective? What about a musical perspective?
Okay, I'm gonna have to stop you right there. Okay then. So, from a psychiatric perspective, you have moronic tendencies.
Huh?
You're a moron.
Is my condition treatable?
Well, an apple a day keeps the doctor away.